Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It was built for the tough-as-nails worker who needs a tough-as-nails truck. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, Duralife 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, tow haul mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar remote link, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, auto-track 4-wheel drive with traction control, collision mitigation braking system, and power heated mirrors. Automobile proclaims it's what's under the hood that separates the men from the boys among heavy-duty pickups. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.